Hello, I am so excited because the Lord has opened this great and effectual door in the spirit realms, and inside of it is a door of favor, and this favor is pouring forth into the earth right now. If you started to see favor come upon your life, even in the last 24 hours, great doors of opportunity opening, new relationships, promises made by people, things, financial increase, all of these things are favor. Why? Favor is for the advancement of the kingdom. Psalm chapter 5 verse 12 says that he puts his favor, he encompasses his favor as a shield around the righteous. And so that's us. And right now in the spirit realms, there is this door of favor. So every day for the next 3 weeks, you're going to start to experience great favor. When that happens, you begin to feel and sense the favor with people, with finances, with doors of opportunity, whatever it is. Begin to start walking through those doors because God wants to advance his kingdom, and he's put this favor upon you for that purpose. We are about ready to enter into the Hebrew month of Tammuz on Sunday night at sundown. With that, this is why that there is an acceleration of favor at this time, is because God is moving us into a place of following the desires of our heart. And desire means of the Father. He has given you his desires, and now he wants to give you the favor so that you can step into the opportunities that he's called you to. So I just want to encourage you, share this with a friend. Favor is in the atmosphere right now, and this is going to continue. Start to record in your journals, write down, share on Facebook where God touched you personally with his favor. Angels are bringing favor. You are going to see mighty things happen. So keep your eyes on the Lord and the favor that's coming, and respond properly in faith. Pick up the phone, call people, make an email, do whatever it is that you need to do. When you get the sense that you have favor in a relationship or favor in a door of opportunity, walk through it, take a risk, because God is with you. He wants to advance his kingdom, and he wants to advance his kingdom through you.